Hey everyone, Captain Nasty's here, and today I'm just going to do a real quick video on my flight simulator rig. It's tons of fun, and I guess we'll just go ahead and jump right into it here. Let me take you over and show you the rig. So this is it. It's nothing fancy. The base is a playseat, and this actually is from my old sim racing rig. I upgraded that to an 80/20 rig, and so I had this available, and it's really great for the flight sim. You can get the stick right where you want it. Your rudder pedals are adjustable. It's comfortable. It's cool. One thing I did have to add was a mount for the throttle, so I just took this big piece of wood and ran that across the bottom and then lifted the throttle up a little bit. I'm going to get a hole saw and cut a hole in here so I can have a little cup holder on this thing as well, and cut a slot for my cell phone too. That way it's just always close to me here in the rig. This Thrustmaster, this is kind of the entry-level Thrustmaster input devices. It was $150 for all three of these components on Black Friday. I think that's a really good value, and was kind of a no-brainer for me. So I'm going to flip this thing over and show you guys a more unique part of this rig here. So underneath, you're going to see a couple of base shakers, and on what I typically play IL-2 Sturmovik. It's a World War II air combat game. It is super fun, especially in VR. And I've got these two shakers hooked up to an inuke 1000 DSP amp that's right there. It puts out 300 watts per channel. These shakers only rated at 100 watts per channel, but as long as you keep them from clipping, they take it like a champ. They work really good. These are Aurora Pro bass shakers, and there's no, at least as far as I know, there's no program that'll take like game physics and transmit them to the bass shakers for Sturmovik. So I just use audio from the game and put a crossover setting on my amp. So this amp you can connect up to the PC, and you can see my crossover settings are just right there. I cut out all the high frequencies so all you get's the low rumbling. It's really cool. You feel the engine like crazy when you pull the trigger and hit the cannons. It rattles your teeth, and it's an awesome setup. And yeah, that's my rig there. Take care, everybody.